and welcome to Mr. Danny Dance. I am Mr. Danny, and joining us today we have Ms. Alessandra. Hello, Ms. Alessandra.
Hello.
Hello. We are, of course, from Conga Kids. If you're interested in Conga Kids, please click on the link below. Today, we're going to be doing a salsa lesson. Now, much like the spicy dip of its name, the salsa is a combination of all sorts of wonderful ingredients. Starting in Cuba with a very authentic roots-based Afro-Cuban tradition, making its way all the way up the eastern seaboard to a place called New York City, where it mixed with new instruments, new cultures to create this delicious dance that we know today as the salsa. So, let's get started, shall we? In this dance, we're all going to start with our right foot because in this dance, we're all right. So we're going to march in place with our right foot. Ready? We go. 1, 2, 3. Left, 2, 3. Right, 2, 3. Left, 2, 3. Right, 2, 3. And left, 2, 3. Great. We're going to try a step called a cucaracha now, which is a side break. With the right foot. Go. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. It's called a cucaracha because we're smushing a cockroach. Smush that cockroach. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2. Great. Now we're going to start back to the right foot. We go. Right, 2, 3, and left, 2. These are called our back breaks. We can also do a forward break with our right foot to start 5, 6, ready, go. Right, 2, 3. Right, 2, 3, and left, 2, 3. Now, to put this whole thing together, put our ingredients together, we're going to do a basic step, which is right, 2, 3, and left, 2, 3. Back, 2, 3, and front, 2, 3. Right foot back, and left foot front. Try it with us. And left foot front. And you put it all together, and what do you get? This dance called a salsa. May we have this dance?
Yes.
Left, 2, 3, or right, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. We have turns we can do. We have all sorts of cool steps. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us again on Mr. Danny Dance. As always, subscribe down below. Let us know in the comment section if there are any dance steps that you want to see us do. And that's it for our salsa. Should we do one more before we hit the road?